Hello there, memory masters and knowledge seekers. Welcome to the Memory Improvement Channel, the ultimate destination for unlocking your brain's full potential. Today we have a mind-blowing episode lined up for you. We're diving deep into the realm of memory hacks, those nifty tricks that'll turn your forgetfulness into sharp as a tack recall. So, if you're tired of misplacing your keys or blanking out during exams, you're in for a treat. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our brain-boosting content. Let's get started. Hack 1. The Storyteller Secret. Our first memory hack is straight out of a storyteller's playbook. Did you know that our brains are hardwired to remember stories more effectively than isolated facts? That's right, so the next time you need to remember a list of items, create a captivating story around them. It could be as simple as imagining your grocery list items as characters in an epic adventure. Let me show you how it's done. Picture this: a brave carrot sets out on a quest through the treacherous aisles of the supermarket to rescue the damsel in distress, a carton of eggs, from the clutches of the evil broccoli gang. And guess what? You'll remember your entire list effortlessly. Hack 2. The Mind Palace Unveiled. Now, have you ever wished you had a secret hideaway where you could stash away all your important information? Well, say hello to the Mind Palace technique. Imagine your favorite place. It could be a cozy cottage by the beach or a magical castle in the sky. Each room in your mind palace holds a piece of information you want to remember. As you walk through each room, you'll effortlessly retrieve the details you've stored. Need to remember historical dates? Assign each date to a room and watch as your mind palace becomes a treasure trove of knowledge. Hack 3. The Power of Chunking. Let's talk about chunking, a technique that's like slicing a big memory pie into bite-sized pieces. Imagine trying to remember the numbers 8, 7, 6, 2, 1, 9, 4, 3. It's a mouthful, right? But with chunking, we group these numbers into smaller, manageable chunks, like 8, 7, 6, 2, 1, 9, 4, 3. Suddenly, it's a piece of cake. So, whether it's phone numbers or historical events, chunking can turn any memory task into a delightful treat. Hack 4. The Sensory Symphony. Our brains are wired to remember experiences that engage our senses. That's why the sensory symphony technique is a memory marvel. When you're trying to remember something, try associating it with a specific smell, taste, sound, or texture. For instance, if you're learning a new language, associate new words with the taste of your favorite dish from that culture. It's like creating a symphony of senses in your mind, making memories harmoniously unforgettable. Hack 5. The Vivid Visualization. Imagine your mind as a canvas, ready to be painted with the most vibrant memories. The vivid visualization technique is all about adding a splash of color to your recollections. When you're trying to remember something, close your eyes and create a vivid mental image. Trust me, your brain will thank you for transforming mundane facts into whimsical works of art. Hack 6. The Rhyme and Reason. Who says learning can't be poetic? The rhyme and reason technique taps into the power of rhythm and rhyme. Need to remember a list of items? Turn it into a catchy rhyme. Milk and honey, eggs so sunny, bread and jam. Oh, what a plan. You'll find yourself effortlessly humming your way to a better memory. Hack 7. The Memory Palace Pathways. We're back with another Memory Palace twist, the Memory Palace Pathways. Instead of rooms, imagine walking along a beautiful garden path. Each twist and turn holds a nugget of information you want to remember. It's like taking a stroll through your mind while effortlessly collecting memories along the way. Hack 8. The Colorful Connection. Did you know that colors can help supercharge your memory? The colorful connection technique involves assigning colors to different pieces of information. So, when you're studying for an exam or trying to remember a sequence, add a splash of color to your notes. Your brain will create a visual rainbow of memories. Hack 9. The Social Story. We're social creatures, and our brains love stories about people. The social story technique leverages this by creating a narrative around the information you want to remember. Imagine Einstein and Cleopatra discussing quantum physics over coffee. It's a memory brew that's hard to forget. Hack 10. The Playful Playbacks. Our final hack is all about having fun while boosting your memory, the Playful Playbacks. Turn your memory practice into a game, like creating flashcards or playing memory-boosting apps. The more you play, the sharper your memory becomes. It's a win-win for your brain and your entertainment. And there you have it, memory magicians. 10 powerful memory hacks that'll have you recalling information like a genius. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep your memory muscles flexed, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow knowledge enthusiasts. Also remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our brain-boosting content. Thanks for joining me on this memory-boosting journey today. Remember, these memory hacks aren't just tricks. They're tools that can transform the way you learn and remember. So, go ahead and unleash the power of your mind. Until next time, keep sharpening those memory skills, and I'll catch you in the next video.